So now I'm starting the video again after it's finally loaded. It took about 30 seconds to load all the games and stuff. But so here's all the collections of games it has. It says arcade games, 1,076 games. And then you go to MAME. MAME are like multiple arcade machine emulation, 604 games. Neo Geo, 140 games. It's more arcade. Daphne is a special arcade thing. God, I don't even know how many of these systems are. I'm just going to go through them. There's the old ATARI 2600 system, 5200, ATARI 7800, INTELLIVISION. Keith might remember this. I think he had an INTELLIVISION. ColecoVision, Commodore 64. I don't even know what some of these are. There's Nintendo Entertainment System. Yeah, Japanese, more Nintendo stuff. Virtual Boy, Game Boy, Game Boy Color, Game Boy Advance, Super NES, all the Mario games, 787 Super NES games. More Japanese stuff. Don't know what this is. Nintendo 64. Let's go into there. Oops. Here we go. Scroll down. Let's go to Mario Kart. Okay. Let's play Mario Kart. Oops. I went backwards. Stupid. The buttons are backwards on my controller. There we go. Now we're going to go into Mario Kart. No, are we? Yeah. Here it comes up. Now you can see what I was talking about. The bezels on the side. Looks like a TV screen. It's slightly beveled. So it's cool. There we go. There you go. I'm not really steering because I can't hold the camera and steer and drive, but you can see it. That's pretty cool. I'm going to quit the game. Okay, we quit it. I better stop it now. This video is getting long.